Hey everybody, this is Saturday, April the 20th, 2024. Steven's been home for a week. He came home last Saturday, and I still don't have videos up from last Saturday when AJ woke up last Saturday, woke up at the house and didn't know he was home. I still haven't put any of those up yet. So it's been a busy week going on, and so yes, as of right now, I still have videos that I made a week ago, last Saturday, that are not even up. So that's what happens sometimes. That's what happens a lot. It happens a lot that I make all kinds of videos that do not get uploaded to YouTube or edited until quite a bit of time after the fact. In fact, Steven, you see this Malibu, this Chevy Malibu sitting here? Steven, while he was home this week, put a new starter on my Chevy Malibu, and I made a video all about that, and I have not had a chance to get that uploaded. Yeah, my car's set for 3 months, and I was driving that F-150. You see, I was driving that, and the Malibu was set for 3 months, and I didn't have an opportunity to... Steven fixed it while he was home this week, and you haven't seen any of that yet, so... We just stay pretty busy, but whenever he's working on the truck, I do try to film him. And so, whoa, what is that?
It's flame. You want
flame?
Want to get burned?
No, don't play with fire. So, anyway, tell us. Oh, I like your blue shorts and your blue shirt. You really match, Steven.
Well, I'm matching.
You're matching. So, roughly this time tomorrow, in 24 hours, roughly, you'll be heading out. And I probably won't have those other videos up yet, I'm sure, from last Saturday, of the ones that were a week ago. But anyway, what is your main goal right now? What's going on now?
Fixing a light. That was my main goal.
You were fixing a light.
Yeah, wire was rotting off of there.
Oh, and this breaks my heart too.
Yeah, well, there's nothing I can do about it because the fifth wheel has to be moved up to make higher fifth wheels for fenders like these. And well, I just haven't had the money to come spend $1,000 on a fifth wheel, so I'll have to deal with the scratches.
Oh, they do make higher fifth wheels? Wow. Well, I learned something. Oh, you got them scratched on both sides.
Well, if it's going to scratch on one side, it's going to scratch on both.
Oh, Steven. But that seems to be a recent problem. Those are...
No, it's always been that way.
You have not always had these scratches.
I've always had those scratches. I usually just paint them, Ruthie B.
So...
Usually when I come home, I'll throw some paint on it.
Oh, well, maybe that's why I don't see them very often. But Steven does know how to repair fiberglass. We've made many videos of Steven being able to repair fiberglass. In fact, it was only in February that he restored, there was a big, huge hole in the fender. I'll have to link that at the end of the video. We had a fender that had a... We had a big, huge, we had a big, huge hole in one of these fenders, and so big that AJ could put his head through it. And Steven,
That was this fender.
that was that one? Oh, the one that's already scratched up again?
Yep.
So that was this one. There was,
this whole thing right here was busted out.
I'll link that at the very end of the video. I'll show you the thumbnail of that. But yes, as you're watching this video, go to the end screen and you'll see that video. Yeah, there was a big hole, so big that AJ could stick his head through it, and Steven fixed all the fiberglass on that. Well, hey, real quickly, show me the light that you fixed. Yes, he did put his head through it. Show me the...
It's that one light right there. Put a new wiring harness on it, see? Look right here.
Here, why don't you show it?
It's got a new wire harness
Describe
right there.
it. Show it and describe it.
It's got the brand new wire pluggy right there. See, this thing was broken off because the salt got on it and ate it up. So I put a new plug on it.
Did you already have a new plug?
Yeah, I keep plugs.
You keep plugs.
Yep, I keep them. I went and got one more because I'm getting low on them. Been using so many of them. I got a whole row of the 2 plugs, but the 3 plugs I need to get more.
Look at that wind blowing. It may be April and it's supposed to be sunny and springy, but it's a gray overcast day. And oh, I didn't know what you were looking for.
The knuckle bag goes for the jumper.
Oh. Oh, okay.
No co.
Instead of no go, right? No co, no go.
No, this is the make it go. No co. Knew you didn't know what I was saying. What's a no co?
Just
Is that what those macaws do? No co. No co.